Morning. What's up? What's up? Yeah, today we are going to Shuweihat Island.
So it's already 3 a.m. in the morning, right, Mahal?
Yes, that's right.
So we're going to catch the sunrise in there, and then let's check it out if we're going to
Be
there
on time or not.
Yeah.
So we are moving from again almost Reef Abu Dhabi. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. I'm very sleepy and she's also very sleepy.
we just woke up.
Yeah. So we're just trying to go and trying to see the sunrise over there, and let's see if we can catch it up or not. We'll see you guys there. See you in a bit.
Hi guys, good morning.
Yeah, the pilot for today is Glenn, so he's the in charge for our ride. So we should not make him feel sleepy. So I'll be entertaining him time to time basis. All right, guys, see you in a while. Green signal, go ahead. Glenn is our main pilot for today. We are driving along this road. This road will take us to the international highway going towards Saudi Arabian border. It's also called as Shuweihat Highway. We have enough fuel. We can run till 410 kilometers, and Kuya is driving approximately 120 kilometers per hour. So in this sense, we'll be reaching there by 1 hour and 45 minutes. This is the Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed International Road, which is having a speed limit of 160 kilometers per hour. But for the safe side, we're driving at 130 kilometers per hour.
We started our journey in Abu Dhabi city in preparation for the drive ahead. You can reach this spot from Dubai or any other Emirates, but it will take you considerably longer. Link to the Google map can be found in the description below for your easy reference. The drive is generally casual and easy, but you gotta be safe with the trucks and always keep a safe distance while driving, as majority of the trucks pass away by this route. This is also one of the key entry points highway which leads toward Sila border, which is a border of UAE and Saudi Arabia. You will spend the majority of driving in 160 km per hour zone in the Al Dhafra region of Abu Dhabi. You will pass the town of Ruwais and take the turn towards Alhambra Airport, which will eventually lead you to the Shuweihat Island, the one and only beauty paradise located right here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. The island is actually used by the UAE military, so we must respect the forbidden entry zones and places where you cannot take photos or videos. There are no facilities on the island, like no stores or no bathrooms, so you can stop in Ruwais. That is the nearest towns from Shuweihat Island. Ruwais to the top at the mall before heading to the island also is one of the options where you can go.
Good morning once again. Now we have arrived at
Shuweihat Island, but unfortunately the island is like kind of banned for the public people, because there might be some reasons behind that, but yeah. So now there are all fences like all over the island, so that is the reason we could not go towards the seaside. We just took a couple of pictures here in the main, island itself, because we could not go towards the seaside. Yeah, we have to go back unfortunately, so we'll be going towards Abu Dhabi, but we'll be having a stop by somewhere nearby the ADNOC station. What to do? We came with full of excitement, but unfortunately we are quite sad to go back without having or without witnessing the actual beauty of the island. So now definitely we have to go back. So if you're planning a trip towards Shuweihat Island, please do a research in the Google before you come, and also please check the Google details time to time basis, because they might change in the future. Of course, it may not be banned for the public for the entire time, but most of the properties here down there are the private properties nearby the seaside. Because of that reason, we are not able to enter in their private property. So that's it, guys. Very sorry for this. Hopefully next time, once it's open, we have to come back again and we will show you the entire island. So for now, it's time to say bye bye, and now we're heading towards Abu Dhabi. So bye bye. Luckily, on our way back, we found a very nice sightseeing spot. It was like hillside station, which is similar to the Grand Canyon vibe, you know. It was surrounded by the waters and some rocky mountains in between. It was exactly located on the left hand side while we going back, but when you come inside the island, it will be on the right hand side. So it's a great spot for the sightseeing, and it has a very panoramic sea view with the blue and green kind of water. You know, you just feel like the Maldives is right here in Abu Dhabi. So please don't forget or don't miss to check this out. So the island has been banned for a while now, and when you visit, you really can't go down there nearby the ocean. But however, we have found a good spot here. So it's kind of hill station kind of thing. We could not go to the rocky place nearby the sea because it was private property now, and it is banned to the public people. So before you come here, you gotta check the Google settings. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, we'll see you in a while then. Bye bye. Yeah, now we have to go and catch Shuweihat Lane. He's waiting us inside the car, and he's our pilot for today. So we are running towards the car. He's over there. Hey, alright, let's go. Kuya is there, ready for the rock and roll. So now we have to go to some place nearby where we can grab some breakfast.
Thanks to the couples.
We are kind of hungry, and because we woke up around 3 a.m. we actually just had a banana and all that, you know. So we got to fuel a little bit to have enough energy to drive back towards Abu Dhabi now. So that's what it is, guys. Now we have completed the little bit of tour here in Shuweihat Island. Though the island was kind of banned for the public, but we found a great spot over here. So before you come here, you gotta check the Google settings. And this place, like the place we came here, is just once you enter to the Shuweihat Island, it will be on your right side. It's like a hill kind of place from where you can see you can have a great sea view like that. 4x4 ride. You know, the normal car can't come here. Earlier, this was the great hill station, the Grand Canyon kind of hill station that I was talking about.
Guys, we finished our tour here at Shuweihat Island, so we're going back to Abu Dhabi now.
Alright, we have finished the tour of all Shuweihat Island. If you like our video, please subscribe, hit the bell button.
Hello guys! And now we have finished the tour of Shuweihat Island. So if you like our video, please subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, and comment down below for your improvement and suggestions so we could be improving in our next vlog. So that's all for now. Bye bye, stay safe and stay away from COVID-19. Alright guys, see you. Boom!